The Exmark sit-down doesn't want to start today, so let's take a look at what's wrong with it. As you can see, this here is a Pioneer series of the Exmark. So when we hit the key, nothing happens. One of the first things to check is to make sure that these boxes located here, 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 and here all are checked off. This indicates that all of your safety features have been met, a condition required to start. So as you can see, there's nothing in the box, and when we cycle the key to reset it, they still don't show up. On this in particular mower, I've found a lot of times it's the plug-in behind the key switch. It's not making full contact to connect the circuit so that these indicators are active. So we're going to pull the control panel off and check the connector on the back. So there's only a couple screws that hold it on, and we're going to pull those out real quick. As you can see now, nothing's activated, but checking this switch, oh, we have something. So the only indicator not checked off is the operator seat position. If we apply pressure to the seat, as you can see, it activates and deactivates. So it looks like our problem is the plug-in on the back side of the ignition switch. So I'm going to go through, clean these contacts up, and see if we can get a better connection on it. So to make this easier to clean the contacts, I'm going to take out the key switch. There's a tab here and a tab on the back side. That one there's looking pretty bad, so we'll get it cleaned up and get this put back together. Now that we've cleaned and reconnected the switch, let's see what we got. As you can see, all the indicators are checked off. And it runs again like it should.